yung we are for peace. We are for the peace talks, but we have to be very careful. The Malaysians have an interest in the ongoing peace talks. They are very influential. And questions like, who do we speak with? Bakit nawala yung MNLF sa eksena? Bakit ngayon MILF? May mga treaties na that were forged before 1976. With Normis Wari, bakit ngayon iba na ang kausap? Bakit nakikialam yung Malaysians? Bakit may interest ba yung mga Amerikano sa Mindanao? At of course, a question of transparency pa rin. Bakit medyo hindi natin alam yung nangyari, yung nangyayaring peace talks tapos na-appoint pa yung head ng peace panel sa Court of Appeals. So there are many questions, but definitely we are for peace.
Thank you, sir.